everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I just have a get ready with me, first impression, whatever you want to call it, with a new brand. This is a brand that reached out to me to see if I wanted to try out some of their products. I had featured them in a Top Picks and Skips. They saw my video and they wanted me to try out some of their eyeshadows. Now I'm going to put a picture of the eyeshadow bundles that I spoke about. Oh, these were absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love them. So they did send me 6 of their single shades. This brand sells bundles as well as singles, and their singles are normally $6.50 a piece. They are on sale as we speak, as I'm filming this video, for $5, which I still think is a great deal because you're getting 3.6 grams of eyeshadow. It is huge. This is the big pan. Where do I have a palette up here to show you? Yes. So this is a Coastal Scents eyeshadow. This is your normal eyeshadow pan. And then this is their eyeshadow pan, just so you guys can see the difference. So you guys can see it's huge. And this is for $5, that is worth it 110%. Like, wow, that's a lot of product. So these are the shades they sent me here. They're beautiful, you guys. I showed you guys this on Insta stories. I showed you the packaging. Beautiful presentation. They sent me in a box like this. Isn't this so pretty? I'm going to repurpose this. So I kept it because I want to show you guys. And then each individual shadow is put in a seal like this, but inside it comes in its little plastic form. None of them broke. Came well packaged, super quick. Like, I mean, maybe because they were based out of New York, and New York is literally 2.5 hours away from me, that it came super quick, but they were really, really quick. I love the fact that they come like this. The name is on the back of the actual packaging, as well as the name here. I didn't mean to do that, but this is the packaging for this one. So the name is also on the back, which is one of my favorite things. That's, you know, it's one of my pet peeves. I love to have the name on the back of my eyeshadow so then I know what I'm dealing with. So today I just wanted to play around with them, test them out, see what they're all about. They look beautiful. They look promising. I haven't swatched them. I'm just going to go ahead and play with them, and I don't know what look I'm going to do. I could do that whole burgundy look here, but I just did that whole 2 looks on palette with the Ruby Obsessions palette, so I do want to use this shade right here. This shade, maybe with this. Okay, maybe we'll do that. You know, I'm already getting out of control here, so we're just gonna start out. So the first shade I'm gonna do is this one right here, which I think is called Leha. I'm sorry. This is what the name of it is here, and it's a matte bright red. Like, there's no denying this is a red. It's like a fruit punch red. I would call this more like a fruit punch red. So I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna put this in our crease and a little bit above. This is a completely matte shade. There is no kick up at all. Like, I'm dipping my brush in here and there's like no powder going everywhere. So if you don't like a powdery eyeshadow, these will be definitely for you. So you guys can see there. We're gonna go ahead and start building. I'm gonna go slowly because I don't know how pigmented these are and I don't want it to go nuts. So we're gonna start blending these out. Wow, that's really pretty, and that is pigmented. I'm kind of happy I went slowly. Slow and surely. Beautiful. Wow, that is nice. Holy moly. Alright, so now we're going to do the other eye. Wow, there is no powder kick up to these, you guys. I am impressed so far. And I had a feeling these were going to be good. Just by looking at the photos, like, you just can tell when it's good. And the bundles, you guys, they have like a few bundles. I'm so tempted. I told you guys that the indie brands are what's going to kill me when it comes to my low buy. Because indie brands are so good. Look at that. I'm going to blend that out a little bit more. My blending skills. Trying to, this eye always comes out sometimes patchy, just, but it's me. It's not the eyeshadow. See, there we go. Okay. So I brought that higher than the other one. All right. Now I'm going to go into the outer V and into my crease with Zinnias, which is this burgundy brown, or yeah, it's like a, no, in real life, like without the lights and stuff, it's like an eggplant. That's the name of it right there. This is like a true eggplant shade. Now can you see it better? Yeah. And it's matte. This is, they only sent me 2 mattes, and this is the other matte right here. Now this one does have a little bit more powder kick up. So I'm gonna put this on here and slowly but surely. Very pretty shade. Like this is a really, really pretty shade for just an all over one shadow look. It's blending really nicely with the red, which is nice. So it does play nicely with its own family members. See? Yep, and really nice. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges with a clean blending brush, as I always do with everything. Now with that purple shade, I did get some fallout under my eyes. So I did clean that up. I have a little bit right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a little bit red. But I did get fallout with that one. The red one, I didn't get so much fallout, if anything, but I know with the purple one I did. Now I'm gonna grab the shade that I've been looking at this whole time. It's called Gazania, which is like this peachy, pinky shade. It's so pretty. Oh, this would be so beautiful in the summer. That's the name of it. That is the shade. Look how pretty that is. I am going to use my finger. Ooh. This is like a thicker texture where you have to like push down and drag. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? Wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love this eye look already. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. This is definitely a thicker formula and texture. So if you don't like it, you may not like these. You definitely can use your finger for it. Look at how beautiful that turned out. Holy moly. Now let's go with the other eye. That is gorgeous. Yeah, definitely I think this would be work best with a flat wet brush or your finger, because it's a thick formula. But it is beautiful. I'm going to grab a detail brush just to go inside the inner corner. See how that goes with a brush. Where's my... Oh, that's so beautiful. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that purple shade because I'm gonna have to use the green. The only colors I didn't use were these three. Oh no! Yeah, that one's not gonna stick. For whatever reason, this one isn't sticking in my magnet. But these three I haven't used right here, so I'm gonna use this in a different tutorial. I don't know why this one isn't sticking to my magnet. I wonder if I have to take this off. But I think the sticker is not allowing it to, yeah. Let me see if that worked. Well, that's a shame. Nope. That did not work. I'm gonna have to put a magnet on here. So anyway, I'm gonna grab this shade right here and put it on my lower lash line, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I'm gonna try to make this as softly as possible. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do just my lashes. I'm gonna do just the line. I don't wanna do wing liner because I love how this turned out. And then I'm going to go back and you guys can see the full look of this, and then I'll come back and kind of give you my first impressions, thoughts on the actual brand. All right, you guys, so you saw the final look without the hat because today's a hat day. So my first impressions, honestly, from this brand, I love the quality of their eyeshadows. I think it turned out so well. I had a little bit of trouble with the mattes. I would say start out slowly, lightly, and then build up. They're not as easily blended out, but they do get there and they don't blend away, which was my concern because I was blending the purple and the red on the edge, specifically on this side where I have the most patchy issues, and it blended beautifully, but it didn't blend the purple away, which is what I like. I don't know why this one is not magnetizing in here. I'm gonna have to figure it out. If not, I have some magnetic strips that I could just put behind it, but these are the shades. I'm going to continue to play with them. You'll hear it in a Worth It or Worthless. I think they're beautiful. I appreciate the company sending it out to me. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I would not be able to do this if it wasn't for you guys getting things to test out and try out. I am so blessed and I am so humbled whenever a company reaches out to me to send me something for me to try out. And I am even more happy when the product works out, and this is a great brand. Big shadows for $5, $6.50 regular price. They do have bundle sets. They have a bunch of shades. I already looked of ones that I am interested in. I think these are gorgeous. I'm gonna continue to play. I love this look, you guys. I love it. I love this combo. I am obsessed. Like, I don't even want to take this off when I'm done. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Silhouette Boutiques, for sending this to me. I will continue to use them. You guys, this will not be the last time you hear this brand, and I am very appreciative of the brand for giving me a chance to try out their things. So I will list them down below. Please check them out. Their Instagram, their website, you will not be disappointed. They also did mention to me that they are coming out with a palette soon. So stay tuned for that, because you guys know that I'm definitely going to showcase that on my top picks and skips. But I did ask, and they are coming out with a palette, and you guys know how much I love palettes. So I cannot wait to see what they're going to come out with. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.